Now welcome na chapter 15 now we wan talk about today. And the story for Bible na when Jacob come comot from him uncle side. After Jacob marry Leah and Rachel no quick born pikin. So she come dey vex with her sister because say she get pikin when she herself no get any pikin at all. They come carry their house girls, give am to Jacob, so that he go give them belle. Then they go come claim the pikin as their own pikin, like in a competition na im dey do. But after some time, God come feel pity for Rachel as she no get pikin when she born by herself. She come carry belle, she come born pikin. They come call am Joseph. Meanwhile, Jacob still dey work for him uncle Laban. When they born Joseph finish, Jacob come tell him uncle say he won't carry him wife and him pikin dem comot start to dey go him papa side. Him uncle he no want make he comot because Jacob be like good luck for am. So he come say make he stay small, say he go pay am with all the animals wey get mark for their body as in reward. Jacob come agree to stay small, collect the pay. But that same day, your uncle come carry all the animals wey get mark for their body, give am to your own pikin dem, say make they carry go. So that any new animal wey dem born, e no go get mark for a body. When Jacob come see wetin him uncle dey do so, he come see say he wan try cheat am, make he no carry many animal when he dey go papa side. Jacob no come happy. Na him God come tell Jacob say make he no worry. Say make he carry fresh tree branch, put am for inside the water container wey all the animals dem dey drink from. So when the animals dem drink am, they will come strong well well. And any animal wey drink am, when he born pikin, they go get mark for their body. Na so Jacob come take do as God talk am. And all the animals wey drink for inside that water, when they born pikin, they come strong and the pikin they come get mark for their body. So all Jacob animals come many and strong pass the animals wey your uncle get. When your uncle come see wetin dey happen, say the animals wey get mark don many well, he no come happy at all with Jacob. He come start to dey treat Jacob anyhow. Na him go come tell Jacob say, oya, time don reach me carry your papa, take me go your papa side. Jacob come call his wives there. He come say, na going dey go so, say no fit stay here again o, because he no like the way papa dey treat am. And the wife come decide say they go follow am go because they no fit stay here, they won't follow their husband. Then Jacob come carry all the animals, carry all the servants wey he get, come carry all the house help and their house girl and their wives, come carry all the pikin wey they don born, carry all of them, come start the waka. But he not tell Laban him uncle say he dey comot. When Laban come hear say Jacob don carry him family waka, Laban come enter road, come start to dey pursue Jacob. But when he come stop say he wan rest small, as he lie down dey rest, for inside dream now God come catch am, go tell am say make he not try nonsense with Jacob. So when he see am, make he not try any nonsense. When Laban come continue, come see Jacob at last, he come say, why you comot like that now? So think you no come let me tell my pikin dem and my grand pikin dem bye bye. Jacob come say, he no gree tell am because he dey fear say if he tell her, he no go allow am carry pikin dem follow am. Na Laban come say, why you go do like that now? Say for like tell the pikin bye bye there now. And also he wan check whether then Jacob carry anything wey no be their own. And then Jacob come say, now go check all our property, go check everything, go see whether you go see anything where be your own for inside. Na him Laban come carry himself the waka from one thing to the other. They check everything wey dem carry whether e own thing dey inside. When he check finish, he no come see anything, even though he pikin Rachel don hide her own for inside body wey he no see. When he come check finish, he no see anything. Na him and Jacob come agree say okay, make they settle their case, make they go their separate ways. Now he can tell the picking them bye bye. He can't leave there. May they go. He can start to go in on site. So Jacob can't thank God though. Say don't deliver him for me uncle. He and the family can continue their journey. They go in Papa's side. And so the story can end though. And I thank you.